I'm here to share something very important to you Ghanaians, and this one it shook me to my bone marrow. It is shock like electric shock. This one hey, Igbo king, fake Igbo king, whatever. Hey, to the mud. This man is wicked, very wicked. You are a very wicked person. Hey, my body they even scratch me. Guys, I saw this video. I said, Delphine Atumai HASHIM, you're not gonna watch this alone. Now, I have the video here with me for you and I to watch it together.
Ghanaians, welcome back. This is the Frontline Show, Ghana Speaks. This is the nation's biggest investigative magazine show. I am Kweku Annan, the host of this show. Now, tonight, we've been talking to a Turkish businessman who had some, on one hand, did some business with this Chukudi guy, and the man has been short-changed, defrauded, complete. Nothing shows that he's going to get the money. Clear, this Nigerian Chukudi guy sits here on our soil, proud himself that he's this, he's that, and lying to people his connections within the seat of government. Folks, hey, so shocking. These audio recordings were done separately. We decided to join them. And listen well, you will hear times and differences within the audio, meaning that there are about 5 of this audio, and we have many of such. In the coming days, you hear more. Promising, I'll pay, I'll pay continuously, 10 solid years. Take a listen to the audio one more time.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my brother? Hi, madam, everybody, okay? Inshallah, it's through 4 years now. We thank God, thank Allah. Inshallah, business not good at all. Not good everywhere, bad, not good, but we thank God, inshallah. Inshallah, by the end October, inshallah, I will send you, I'll make transfer for you, some transfer, not all, inshallah. October ending, okay? God bless you. Assalamu alaikum, Kayan, my brother, how are you? Happy Sunday to you and to everybody in the house. I greet you. Kayan, inshallah, end of January 2022, end of January, I will start paying you money small, okay? Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. My brother, how are you? I have my customer that gave me check. The check we clear on 28th of this month, January. Inshallah, as soon as the check clear, then I communicate you. You give me your account, I send you money. Okay? God bless you. Hi, how are you, Kayan son? And how are you, Mr. Kayan, and your family? I received your message. Kayan, yes, I told you by end of January, but the check that was issued to me for 28th, the check was bounced. So I couldn't raise money to send to you. So I beg of you, give me to the end of February. I will send money to you. Okay? God bless you. Bye. Good morning, Kayan, my brother. How are you and the family? Happy Sunday. Kayan, don't worry. Everything will be fine very soon. Okay?
So, it's been back and forth for 10 years, still counting.
Yes, after what say they? Oh, you go court, you go police, you go lawyer, you go away. Me say, Jimmy, okay, no problem. And no scale court, no scale police, no scale anybody. Why? You know, answer. You just when you talk to me.
Wow.
Now you have all document, all message, everything, phone inside. Now that you told, oh, you go away. I'm coming today, $265,000. How now you give it me $2,000?
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Hey, for me to start this video with you should know problem day. Hey, oh my god, if you try to touch a lion's tail, this is what come back to you. This fake Igbo king has touched the lion's tail and now is backfiring back. All right, so today I have a video I want to show you Ghanaians. Yes, see, God know they sleep. Okay, let me just make it this way. The God of Ghana is not sleeping. He is hearing and listening to each and every of your prayers. And you know what? When a person is claiming to be right, when he is not, by the time God wants to start bringing the person out, there'll be no mercy. This is how I see this thing to be. So the title of this video we're about to check out said, how the self-proclaimed Igbo king allegedly attempted to defraud a Turkish man. Hey, nothing like attempted. He defrauded a Turkish man. Guys, you won't believe what my ears and eyes see today. Hey, I told myself that Delphina, you cannot watch this video alone. No, you have to come out here and show it to the whole world so they can also see and share their thoughts about this video, guys. Let's get right into it. And at the end of it, I would love you to share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get right into it, and I will be right back.
We welcome all our viewers here. and around the world to Ghana Speaks Extension. And in this edition, the Frontline Show has obtained exclusive what? Audio recordings, messages, contracts, agreements, etc. revealing Chukwudi's reported promises to pay his Turkish business partner. Promise that, according to the evidence, turned out to be nothing but what? Lies. Baby, I didn't move investigations. Yeah, yeah, akosom say. No, yeah, akosom. You're obtaining all of these documents. Maybe you never come as much. Documents, agreement between Chukwudi and the Turkish partner. No, audio recordings, text messages. Business. This is a guy who is quietly staying here and using the image of Ghana, doing all sorts. Also, I said, in UAE, the passport deals are air Koswa. Nigerians need AU swarm. We may trace the Abbas or no, the campaign in Ghana or Eden or all my Nigerians need go on in your passport. Either he chooses to answer this or deny. Now, Anabi, Bibiara, Yabe Yachro, Ayam Koma, only business partner, Edia, Nina Kopium say, or the Nina Koye, Atro, and Ada and Yakushisam. But first, before Chukwudi's victim joins me, there was a contract between the two partners. And I want my executive producer to walk us through that very agreement. You get better screens no be agreement ben course between the business partner and Chukwudi no. There ben any say one more and say enrollment. Yeah, take it up.
Okay. Osha, the documents that we've laid hands on.
Do I have my executive producer over there?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay, so yeah, take it up now.
So Yensa documents Yensa.
Good.
3 different documents. The agreement, a bank statement, then an invoice. So I will first go through the agreement, then we'll proceed from there.
Okay. Now, can you walk us through gradually? What's our document?
So the agreement, it is between Julianas, which is the Turkish company, and one other company by name Shibet Group of Companies, which is the company that belongs to Mr. Pikuzi.
Okay.
So the agreement was signed. So let me read the entire. So this agreement is entered into effect on the 22nd day of September 2015.
Good.
Between Julianas V Tourism San, TIC Limited, Party A, of Kamapasa Ma, then somewhere in Istanbul, Turkey, represented by its manager, Mr. Mehmet Kehan, and Chibet Group of Companies, Party B, of house number 2020, American House, East Legon, Accra, Ghana, represented by its manager, His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi, the first, Ihinetu. 1. Subject to the terms and conditions of this agreement, Party A hereby covenants with Party B on the supply of porcelain and ceramic tiles from Turkey to Ghana for a period of subject to renewal. 2. Purpose. It is agreed that the Party A ships 5 containers of products with the correct specification to Party B.
Okay, so
of the product to Party B.
Okay.
Then 3. Payment. It is also agreed that Party B receive these containers and make payment of products 60 days after bill of loading. Revolving credit in this case refers to paying an account the sum owed by Party A by Party B. 4. Terms. Party A, in reference to this agreement, must ensure that all products sent to Party B are expressly agreed in terms of quality, color, size, quantity, and other specifications required by Party B by order. 5. Conditions. During the term of this contract, both Party A and Party B will keep to the timelines expressly agreed to, supply and pay for the products respectively. 6. Information exchange. The Party B is required to provide written reports on a consignment basis in order to provide the necessary information that Party A requires on each consignment. Party A is also required to provide an up-to-date, consignment-specific description of the products that are to be shipped 3 days clear before the written information. 7. Termination. Both Party A and B have equal right to terminate this agreement, but subject to a 3-month advance notice. 8. Governing law. The international trade law. In witness whereof the undersigned have executed this agreement as part of the day and year first written above. The parties here to agree that first simile signatures shall be as effective as if originals by Mehmet Kian, Julianas. Then the other person that signed is Chibet Group of Companies.
Witness. So the Chibet company belongs to
Chibet company belongs to Chikuze.
I see.
Yeah, the Nigerian man.
Okay.
Then the Julianas belongs to the Turkish businessman.
Okay.
Yes. So apart from this document, the other document we have there, is account statement.
Okay.
So if you look clearly at the account statement, it says that there have been our 17 containers that have been shipped to Ghana in 3 different consignments. The first consignment has 7 containers, second 5 containers, and the third 5 containers.
All making how many containers?
17 in total.
17.
Yeah.
That the Turkish partner shipped to Chukwudi, correct?
Yes, please.
I see. Go
So the
right.
total amount involved is $284,196.20.
Wow.
Then there has been some payments. In 2016, $18,500 was paid. On the 2nd of April 2022, $5,000 was paid. And on 1st June 2022, $10,000 was paid. So total payments is $33,500. So it means that the remaining amount to be paid is $250,692.20.
And
then,
the rest?
Yeah. So that's the amount involved and then the amount that has been paid.
I see.
Yes.
And this transaction, if what we have perused, is about 10 years down the line and still counting, correct?
Yes, please. Because the agreement was signed in 2015.
Wow.
Yeah, September 2015.
Yeah.
Yes.
Folks, okay, yeah.
The last document is just an invoice that was sent from
Okay,
Diana's.
so
that's all it is.
That may not be really necessary, right?
Yes.
Okay, great, guys. So what my executive producer just read a while ago, gone past, it's an agreement between the two parties. So it isn't that, what's his name? Mamet Kayan just woke up and said, Chukwudi, I want to do business with you. No, folks, before the commencement of the business was what? An agreement signed between the two parties. And we just read agreements to you. Both signed. Chukwudi Saniye and a Turkish guy also Saniye. So both of them are bound by this agreement. On supply, Onyama saying 17 containers have been supplied. Now it is also there's a clause in the agreement suggests that if both parties and you're comfortable, and I say here, the exit clause in the agreements are all explicitly clear. So why would you urge somebody to use his money to supply you these goods? And it's been 10 years and still counting. And he continues to lie to the Turkish guy continuously. Folks, this is quite serious. Now, there are some text messages here. I'm going to read it to our listeners. And I'm sure we are going to make the text messages also available on the screens. Guys, do we have it there? Now, the Turkish man at trial said, Chukwudi bet 20 man, hey, or bet 10 years in you. I have his own here. It's only in text messages, exchanges, and also say, now, maybe a kind message natural. So that you understand the kind of the Chukwudi personified, as many are now pointing the spotlight on him, that he's what? He's a fraudster. Guys, here share messages now. Or the Turkish guy, no, hey, you're no, before my board, my making message me, let me do the video number. God. Now let's go through the messages. He begins with, I say, good evening, my brother. How are you doing? And your family? Chukwudi talking here. Now, Mamet, the Turkish guy, responds, you aren't, take serious to me. Then Chukwudi comes and say, please, don't say like that, my brother. Then the Turkish man comes. Why haven't you sent my money? For 4 years. This was then some period gone. Oh. Now listen here. Chukwudi comes and say, good evening, my brother. To make fun of, I will take my money. Now the Turkish man is talking. I'll say, to make fun of, I will take my money. I will never give up. Then Chukwudi comes. I'll say then, by the grace of God, I will pay you very soon. And a Turkish nini samba will say, sorry, 5 years? Do you believe? After Turkish nini bisana say, oh, 5 years about untiai scano. Okay. Now Turkish nini samba will say, are you kidding me? You are a liar. Or so you're true for and or to answer. Or no Chukwudi will say, please, how? After Turkish nini samba will say, where my money? 6 years. What problem? Enough. Every time lie. One day, you wait. Stand up a soccer. Afi Chukwudi Samba say, please, I am not a liar, my brother. Afi not Turkish name who say no. The only thing na and 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and Tronquan. Or say 6 years, how not lie? Afi Yamra Turkish name to us say, you have no pride, you are not honest. Chukwudi be answer say, it's not true, my brother. Or say true. If you send $1,000 every month, it's been 6 years. You didn't owe anything. You don't have a face. Now, so person say 6 years me. Say no, what you see? Can 1,000 cities right now? Then to be in tribute. What will be a business partner then a faso? Ghanaians, we are stripping this guy naked so well for you to know the kind of a Frankenstein monster we are sitting on here in this country. Now, Onu Chukwudi about say, okay, my brother, and the Turkish nation to us say, what is okay? Where is the money? And Osambe to us say, you are not a businessman. Every time lie, I want my money. Chukwudi Samba say, please don't call me a thief, my brother. I am not a thief. It was a bad business that caused the delay in payment. The goods you gave me was bad and expensive to sell. Now he started shifting the goalposts. Said, no, in your manner, papa. Now, Turkish Nini Samba say, I will come to you with the police, the prosecutor, the lawyer, and the counsel. And all the two to cheat. After Chukwudi Samba, I will say, oh, okay, for what? Obisanasem. Or say, wait, your luck. Or say, wait, you look. You owe. Oh, say Turkish one in table of never painting the bro. Now if you say clear enough. If you're saying to I'll say seriously, insulting you is very normal. You deserve it. And the Turkish name to us will say, I will make you regret. You will beg me. You will see. Wait, and you will see. And the Chukwudi bet to us will say, you are always insulting me. I don't like that. How much do I even owe you? You must stop this nonsense. Chukwudi nekas check Turkish no. So then sika sen kran ordineka. Meanwhile, unima mount ordineka for. Can you imagine? Yeah, now Turkish nini Saba will say, shameless. You will see, I will take my money from you. the thief. And Chukudi better respond and say, I don't reply you because you always insulting and you know what I am not. You know I am not a thief. So beautiful the way you talk to me. And Turkish neighbor to also say, you obtain me. You have always played theater for exactly 6 years. You will pay my money. Chukudi. And you can say, no. Now, Turkish neighbor to also say, religion, faith, or what? Character. Next, say, one can say, usunu bang. It's saying, we nipa bang. Now, the Turkish guy got alarmed. Chukudi responded, or say, good evening, another time. Or say, good evening, my brother. How are you doing and your family? Don't worry, I will pay you very soon. Based on our calculations, what I don't like is the way you insult me. You have to stop it, please. Good night, my brother. And I'll actually Turkish. Then the Turkish guy comes back to say what? Thank you so much. Thinking that he's going to pay the money. Then the Turkish guy comes back to say, I need to pay the court and the creditor. Do not wait. Please help with understanding. I have been waiting for what? Yes. This text message means he said, Turkish you didn't die, you didn't cost. Yeah, Tony did different cost. As far as what supply Chukudi items. Tia Chukudi answer the man. Or say, oh my God, my dear brother, please believe me, I can't pay anything now. But at the end of this month, I will pay you. And a Turkish needed to us. Or say, I am going to have a lot of difficulties. I don't know what to do. Then Chukudi comes to answer. Or say, oh my God. Then he comes back again with another time. He comes back and says what? Good morning, my dear brother. How are you doing and your family? Yes, I know, but I am waiting for some money. Don't have it yet. By the grace of God, before the end of this month, now folks, listen to this one too. Before the end of this month, I would get the money and pay you. Good night, my dear brother. Then the Turkish man comes back to say, I need to pay the court and the creditor. Do not wait. Please help with understanding. I have been waiting for years. See the answer Chukudi gave it to him. Oh my God, my dear brother, please believe me, I can't pay anything now. But at the end of this month, I will pay you. He continued to what? Lie to him. Then the Turkish man comes back and says, I am going to have a lot of difficulties. I don't know what to do. But oh my God. And it goes on and on. I said, the court are big problems. I made a mistake trusting you. Turkish is saying this to himself. I made a mistake trusting you. Chukudi comes with another message of response. Please, no, my brother, my dear brother. The problem is my business is not doing well now. So please, very soon, I will finish paying you the money, please. Then the Turkish man comes. This is good behavior. You made me tired. You rained me. When was Turkish channel? Or by Chukudi, I say, by the grace of God, I will pay you all the money before the end of this year. This time not month to end of this year. I will be paying you bit by bit from next month by the grace of God. Thank you for your understanding, my brother. Good night, my dear brother. He tried to be what? Cunning. He tried to be trickish. He tried to be stylish. And these are all signs of people with a mindset of what? Attempting to defraud somebody. Now listen, the Turkish man comes back. Said, now he Chukudi comes back. Also, oh, okay, my brother. Please, I'm sorry, my dear brother. Business is not good. That's why I'm delaying for the balance payment. Then the Turkish man continued, pay me piece by piece. Now it's over. I have waited too long. Chukudi comes and says, okay, my brother. Then he comes back and says, yes, my dear brother. How are you doing and your family? They be papa saying, saying, foolish things. Once the man is looking for his money, and he continued to play dilly-dally, trickish, corn, and like a corn man. Now listen to the statement or the message from the Turkish man saying, enough is enough. I am out of strength. I want my money. Look at your approach. Then Chukudi comes with a response. There is no money yet, my dear brother. I am still working for money so that I will pay you your balance. Then the Turkish man comes back to say, where did the goose go? Bro, I have been waiting for 8 years. So guys, how many years now? From 6 years, we've moved to what? 7 years. Now, 8 years. And all of this period, Chukudi continued back to back with messages of what? Lies, trickish, and stylish. Now, he comes back with another message. Good evening, my dear brother. How are you doing and your beautiful family? Sorry, I couldn't call you back. I just finished from the program I went for. Please, I will call you tomorrow. Good night, my dear brother. Then he comes back again with another message. Good morning, my dear brother. Please, how are you doing? Please, I'm sorry I missed your call. I am working on getting the money. As those that owing me promise to pay me today. As soon as I collect the money from them, then I will send it immediately to you, my brother. Good morning, my brother. No, this is you. Then the Turkish man comes back here to say, I was devastated. Enforcement foreclosure. The record turned negative. The verdict of the imprisonment came out. My houses and my vehicles are what? Gone. Not just a Turkish, I feel the Turkish government court at on the now. This is the Chukudi, who want to build a parallel kinship here in this country, who want to build a palace and many more. He has lied to the authorities of this country for so many times. And look at the business you do with people and continue to lie. Now I'll say, what you did to me and my family is not enough. You ruined my what? My child's future. I'll say my child's down. I feel where did you use? I mean to use Turkish ni use man. Let's just say I feel why they was saying the family. Nema won't be bia aseno. Let's just say if you can't money go school, Nkrana Sabri was say future. Then Onuchukuri comes with an answer. I say, please, my brother, you know I can't what? Fucked up. Sorry for my F word. Or say I can't blah blah blah. My dear brother, the problem is bad business. I lost all my money. That's why I'm selling my house. Now Chukudi is telling us, now he's selling his house to pay you your balance. I have sell so many things. And a Turkish catcher said, I don't have what? I don't have 1 minute. Then he comes back again. Turkish guy that comes back say 9 years. It's called what? 9 years old. It's called fraud. Why are you touching me? Chukudi comes back to say what? The balance of your money will be paid soon. Good morning, my dear brother. How are you doing and your family? It's not true. I think Turkish guy responds that I am not accepting any excuses this time. I can see you are online. No need to run away. I am not stupid. Chukudi comes with a response. Good evening, my dear brother. How are you doing and your beautiful family? Happy New Year once again. We just came back from church. Now, let us say, then the Turkish guy comes and say, have a nice Sunday. Tomorrow is very important. Chukudi comes. Good evening, my dear brother. And they say, yeah, my dear brother, please, things are very hard up until now. But I'm working so hard to get things done to come back to normal very, very soon. Please, don't worry. I will pay you the balance soon. Then the Turkish man comes with a response, saying, I'm really tired. I can't believe it. This is such a torture. Chukudi comes or say, may this month of love favor, and now he wants to sound more spiritual. So listen to what he said. May this month of love favor and flourish you like never before. May God blow your mind with testimonies. Hallelujah. I wish you all the best in this new month and beyond. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Happy New Year. HRSZ, Dr. Chukwudi, Jude. Guys, this is terrible. And this is so pretty fascinating, troubling on our hand. This is what? A Turkish businessman. Now, quickly, before my Turkish partner joins me, you could hear audio recordings. Nina, apart from the message exchanges, he again sent him what? Audio recordings. Purporting said he was going to pay the money in no time. Guys, Ghana for, wait, Papa, is this a man you allow to stay in a country like this and use our name, our soil, to be defrauding people? Take a listen to what he told the Turkish man in all of these audio recordings. I can tell you, in this audio recording I'm about to play, quite a short one though, but one thing runs all through. And what is this? Excuses all through. Listen to this.
How are you, my brother? How is madam? Everybody okay? Inshallah, it's through 4 years now. We thank God, thank Allah. Inshallah, business not good at all. Not good everywhere, bad, not good, but we thank God, inshallah. Inshallah, by the end October, inshallah, I will send you, I'll make transfer for you, some transfer, not all, inshallah, October ending, okay? God bless you. Assalamu alaikum, Kayan, my brother, how are you? Happy Sunday to you and to everybody in the house. I greet you. Kayan, inshallah, end of January 2022, end of January, I will start paying you money small, okay? Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. My brother, how are you? I have my customer that gave me check. The check we clear on 28th of this month, January. Inshallah, as soon as the check clear, then I communicate you. You give me your account, I send you money. Okay? God bless you. Hi, how are you, Kayan's son, and how are you, Mr. Kayan, and your family? I received your message. Kayan, yes, I told you by end of January, but the check that was issued to me for 28th, the check was bounced. So I couldn't raise money to send to you. So I beg of you, give me to the end of February. I will send money to you. Okay? God bless you. Bye. Good morning, Kayan, my brother. How are you and the family? Happy Sunday. Kayan, don't worry. Everything will be fine very soon. Okay? Hello, my brother Kayan. How are you doing? I'm in a very good going for a meeting. I'll call you when I get home. Okay?
This is pretty disturbing. Of course, the frontline investigates. We are going into the full disclosure of this case. On other screens, I want him to come out by close of tomorrow and deny that he's not owing or he's not attempting to defraud the Turkish national. Now, quickly, my friend, back to the messages on it. Turkish guy, my mates on any aid, on the messages. Now, on top of the messages, Ken. So what it means is that everybody on in business, he portrayed himself as what? A king of the Igbos in Ghana, a liar, a crook, and a ragamuffin. Check all the messages. Ghana for walk through. Don't say now. Watch yes, King Ghana. You mumma be 2 or 3. Don't say now. Can you zoom more, guys? You imagine it down. Watch King Ghana. And some Fosa who made him a king in this country. That's there. I don't want anybody to say, Kweku, you've cooked this message. No, these are messages coming from him. And I dare him. He should come and confirm or deny this. How can you portray yourself as a king in a sovereign nation called Ghana. How? Guys? Well, quick. A brother of this Turkish businessman, the Turkish businessman or Turkish is here, but because of that, the Frontline show are picking this issue up. My younger brother has quickly landed here in Ghana and want to share with us the story. My businessman on Chukudi Koya business or Koya business. Your friend Mamet Kayan. But my brother, what joining me tonight? Your friend, I don't know if I'm getting your name right. Bahatin Baba.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'll stay with the Bahatin.
Bahatin.
Okay. Great. Bahatin. Good evening. Thanks for joining me.
Oh,
Can you
thank
speak
you
my
so much.
language? Give me the phone. Good. So, your brother Mamet has gone through, and I'm shocked to hear that this whole business is 10 years.
10 years going. 10 years going.
And it's accounted.
Normal, Senate 17 container.
17 containers.
17.
Wow.
He told, today 4 days going, I'm going a house, this Nigerian man house.
Wow.
Yes, I'm going there. Kayan, my brother, told, oh, 17 container and send it to you. He told no. Oh, you send it 15 container.
Oh, he's disputing the 17.
Yes.
But you have everything on paper, isn't it? You have agreement.
I have agreement, everything. He told 15, me told, okay, you 15 container money pays, okay.
Huh.
Yes, 2 container, leave it. You 15 pay.
Hey.
Take it how much? $2,000. Take it, put it there, look, put it. Oh, bah, you just want to take it, you send it to your brother. Me told, how I send it? $2,000. I'm coming today, $265,000. How now you give it me $2,000, send it to your brother.
This
And
is
leave it
incredible.
and come out. Yeah.
So, it's been back and forth for 10 years, still counting.
Yes, after what say there, oh, you go court, you go police, you go lawyer, you go away. Me say, Jimmy, okay, no problem. And no scale court, no scale police, no scale anybody. Why? You know, answer. You just when you talk to me.
Wow.
Now you have all document, all message, everything, phone inside. Now that you told, oh, you go away. Okay, now then they go away.
This is serious. But first of all, let me get this straight. Because I read something in the message, and it does appear your brother Mamet Kayan.
Yeah.
Would you confirm that his house and some other stuff had been confiscated?
House sell it.
Oh.
4 house.
4 houses?
4 house, 3 car, all sell it. He now go stay rent. There's no possible. You go rent house, you have money.
He has gone to rent. Your
Yes.
brother has gone to rent
Yes.
now. His house has been sold.
Now his safe number no use it. Wife number use it. Why? People no good talk to phone. He borrow, too much borrow.
Oh, he borrowed money from
Borrow.
Turkish.
Yes, borrow.
bank.
After that, Thai Senate. Yeah. Senate. I'm now where money. Money no Senate. Nigeria money Senate. Yeah. He there people money pay. This how sell it. Turkish how cheap. How sell it. Small money. I pay it.
Wow.
Now this Nigeria man no pay. He phone off it.
Really?
Yes, he know I'm not calling. I'm calling wife. I'm not calling. He number off.
His phone is gone down. It's turned off.
No, number of it. No,
His
own
phone
it. Different
is off.
people
Oh, okay.
calling, sorting. He told why you take it my money, you don't give it me my
Wow.
money. He then off it phone. Close. Only wife phone. Use it calling him.
Wow.
Yes. I did. But see now I'm 15 years. I'm Ghana inside. 15 years. Never I'm one Ghanaian. I'm cheating. Never I'm no good to do it this Ghana country.
But, Bahatin, has this matter been reported to the police?
Then no go anybody. Now I'm start. I'm going.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
So now I'm start. I'm going police. I might have lawyer. I might have plenty of friends.
Yeah. But he also said in the message that he's selling his house and other stuff. Do you believe that?
I'm no believe. I'm going 2 times. I'm going house. Never sell it house. You go see over in Nigeria, people are sitting there.
There are lots of Nigerians
Yes,
sitting there. You saw
Nigeria.
them.
Yes, who is there? Nigeria. No one Ghanaian inside city.
What? First of all, let's understand this. What's made your brother Mamet to believe in Chukwudi
You
to
see-
be a good businessman or a credible businessman?
Okay. You see, my brother, no one else Ghana. One my country, one friend. This one not too much say my country.
I see.
Now Ghana inside. This he calling my brother Mehmet Kayan. Tolo, this chief Nigeria guy. Tolo come together make it business.
See,
He they told okay. He take it, go Thais company. Something small money you pay. After
Okay.
you take it, bring here, sell it. You go money pay back.
okay.
Now this one Thais come there. Nigeria man, no sell it money. After this Thais company come, all my money. He want to, he sell it house, sell it car, or sell it. Not enough.
Oh,
Not
so
enough.
then, if I get you clear, your brother started doing business with him bit by bit by bit. Oh, okay.
Yes.
But I'm sure your brother didn't know that he was luring your brother into a bigger business, and then that would have been the end.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Guys, this is quite disturbing and very troubling. Trust me. You know, a whooping sum of $260,000. It's gone. And it doesn't make sense to me that now his brother is here to take the money. He goes to Chukwudi's house, and all that Chukwudi can offer for, the next payment is $2,000. For almost 10 years now. And for me, with what we are picking, this is a developing story. I'm going to give you more angles to it in the coming days. Every everything points to the fact that Chukwudi is not ready to pay this money. Because 10 years, if this money was to be locked in a bank, I'm sure the interest on this thousands and thousands of dollars would accrue, quite a significant amount of money. Now, the business partner, Mamet Kayan, has lost 4 houses and other stuff. Three cars.
Yeah.
Does your brother has children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
Are they still going to school?
Yes, go to school.
Wow. So, the last time you went there, and he gave you the $2,000, what was the next promise that he was going to pay?
Next promise, August 28th. For another something payment. There's not small something you payment
so
with me.
virtually, it looks like he has virtually destroyed your brother's capital.
And you take this, take it. And this money now 10 years going. This one 10 years inside. You pay maybe 10,000, 20,000. Now 10 years inside. A long time finish.
Exactly.
Now you take it. This one $2,000. 10 years going. You $2,000. You give it. No.
Bahatin, where you sit, do you think he's going to pay this money, or it's all about promises, and then it's going to end up being lying?
Only lying.
What's your faith?
Only lying talk. Only promise. Only, next month you come, I'll pay you. Next month another you come, I'll pay you. Small. There's no small matter. No pay. Now 2,000, 4 days going, 2,000. Take it, give it me. I'll not take it. Now to 28, me told okay. 28, I come. How much you pay me?
28 of this month?
This month, 28 August. Me told I'm coming, how much you pay me? Oh, you know what, I'm something to pay you. Me told okay, you 65,000, you pay me. Oh, too much. What too much? Now 265,000 you borrow. 10 years going. Now you told 1,000, 2,000, and what? You see my brother? Now he scale go out. Why scale go out? Borrow people. My country there, I know power. One person borrow, one person has come. Something to eat you. No good, something to eat you. Yes.
So, as we speak, do you know the whereabouts of the goods that your brother sold to him? Do you know where the goods are? And what were these goods that your brother sold to him?
See, everything he paid into it. Shipping Ghana. Shipping Ghana, shipping money that he paid. Kaya, my brother,
Okay.
he's paid.
He paid?
He paid.
The shipping?
Yes.
Oh.
Come there. Nigeria man told I'm remove it and pay you maybe 1 month, 2 months inside and money pay. In a way, 10 years.
But like my question I ask you, do you know where the goods are? Has he used the goods, or the goods are stuck somewhere?
Well, told me 5 containers sent it, Kumasi.
Oh, he sent it to Kumasi?
Yes.
I said 5 containers out of the 17?
Yes.
Okay.
And I left 12 container. 12 container there, maybe. Now sell it. Me told okay, show me. No, show me.
That's not showing
No.
you yet.
Tomorrow
Because
show me.
what we read in the message, if the remaining goods are there, he should show you.
Yeah, sure. No,
So that at least
he
it
knows
will
it.
indicate that, oh, yes, he's making preparation to. But you have not seen the goods yet.
No, of course. No. No, of course. Show me, Miss Anna. Oh, okay.
This is very shocking and very interesting. If somebody tells you that this man is a fraudster or he's a liar, would you say none of the above, or that is exactly what you say?
You see, every time line talk, you go in there. Huh? Now my brother, many time as I said,
Yeah.
this I know, I go in this business inside. My brother business. Now my brother make a business, I know go business inside. I'm go my different business.
Yeah.
You say come here, Ghana, I make it my business. Restaurant business, farm business, and my business different. He business, sell, ties, different things, ship in different countries. Yeah, not only Ghana.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, he ship it into different
ship in
countries.
different countries.
Wow.
Now believe Nigeria guy saying it. And you see now Nigeria guy what to? No, only total 300,000. Only 35,000 payment to 2,065 no pay.
Is he the first Nigerian your brother has done business with?
No.
He's been doing business with a lot of Nigerians.
No, that's the first time to it.
Oh, okay.
First time.
But what I want to know is that, has your brother done business with another Nigerian man before?
No.
Oh, this is the first Nigerian man.
Yes, first Nigerian.
Then I can hazard that your brother will not trust Nigerian anymore.
No.
Including yourself.
He told, I not trust Nigeria. Nigeria put it in me there.
Really?
Ghana.
Oh, here, before?
Yes, I think I know. My son, no problem. My worker, I make it together business. After take it, my test run away go. No problem.
In Turkey,
And then,
does
like,
the
Nigeria.
government of Turkey, have you banned Nigerians doing business, coming there, or you have not? I
Now,
think you have a lot of Nigerians there,
yes,
right?
he's there. He's there. Before that, Nigeria inside, my friend, my best friend, open big one restaurant.
Oh, I see.
Yes, big restaurant. Only 6 months. 6 month time, close. Why close?
Why?
Evening, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 20 people, boy, going, eating. After money, no money. Oh, make it small.
Hey.
Yes, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, do it like this. My friend told him close. Let's go back.
Oh.
Yes.
So the business collapsed.
Close. Look at Dogo. Blame the money, put a big restaurant, nice one. You see, Ghana inside have 4, 5 restaurants, Turkish. Oh, good.
Turkish restaurants?
Yes, it's Ghana inside plenty. Then after Bosfor, Capinto, there's a Turkish restaurant, a big restaurant.
Hey.
Yeah.
This is very sad. In fact, this is very, very sad. And something must be done and done quickly. Yes, something must be done quickly. We believe that the authorities of the state, particularly the Ghana police and other states' security organizations, have to come in. You see, this is where, guys, earlier I was saying, people are using the name of Ghana. Then he's sitting on our soil and trying to defraud somebody for want of nothing. 10 years business, the guy is refusing to pay. Now, from all indications and from what the brother of Mamet, Bahatin, is narrating to us, it's so clear, unambiguity, clear, that Chukwudi is trying to defraud them. There's a clear attempt of defrauding, if not already defrauded. Because then guess what? You do business with somebody, you signed agreements, all of that. How should you come, you tell them, say, the business went bad. And so because of the business went bad, that justifies your inability to pay him. But then, as far as the clauses in agreements are concerned, there isn't anything that says if business goes bad, you will not offer the payments of containers shipped to you. And here is another intriguing part. For Chukwudi to show them the remaining containers suggesting that the business has gone bad, he has also refused to do this. So guys, let's all try to figure out, do a postmortem of the mindset of this guy claimed to be the king of Igbos and using government top officials, their names and whatnot. Did your brother experience, this guy using the name of top officials? That he has connections with all the government officials and all of that. Did your brother tell you that? That the man always says that he has connections, he has, he has connections with top officials in this country.
Yes, every time talking, every time calling talk. He know nothing. Come back talk. Only talking.
I should have been the one who married Sebastian Klein. He only gave us $500,000 out of his trust fund when he's worth billions.
When you go to his house, and you look at his demeanor, does something tell you that this man is going to pay this money in a certain period of time because he doesn't have? Or you see clear that he's making all the concerted effort or the attempt not to pay you? How do you measure him?
You see, one person money pay, now that you look person, you understand this person, oh, my money pay. This guy, money no pay. Only line, $1,000, $2,000, and give it you, or 1 month, 2 months, and rest.
So as
This money no pay.
So as we speak,
No pay, no pay.
now we are in the month of August, and it says 28th of this month.
Yeah, 28 will I pay it. How much
Guys,
pay? Maybe 2,000, 3,000.
MCR, let's listen to the audio recordings of all the promises he has. And guys, listen, Ghanaians. Hey, so shocking. These audio recordings were done separately. We decided to join them. And listen well, you will hear times and differences within the audio. Meaning that there are about 5 of this audio, and we have many of such in the coming days to hear more. Promising, I'll pay, I'll pay continuously. 10 solid years. Take a listen to the audio one more time.
Assalamu alaikum, Kayan. How are you, my brother? Hi, madam, everybody, okay? Inshallah, it's through 4 years now. We thank God, thank Allah. Inshallah, business not good at all. Not good everywhere, bad, not good, but we thank God, inshallah. Inshallah, by the end October, inshallah, I will send you, I'll make transfer for you, some transfer, not all, inshallah. October ending, okay? God bless you. Assalamu alaikum, Kayan, my brother. How are you? Happy Sunday to you and to everybody in the house. I greet you. Kayan, inshallah, end of January 2022, end of January, I will start paying you money small, okay? Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. My brother, how are you? I have my customer that gave me check. The check we clear on 28th of this month, January. Inshallah, as soon as the check clear, then I communicate you. You give me your account, I send you money. Okay? God bless you. Hi. How are you, Kayan's son? And how are you, Mr. Kayan, and your family? I received your message. Kayan, yes, I told you by end of January. But the check that was issued to me for 28th, the check was bounced. So I couldn't raise money to send to you. So I beg of you, give me to the end of February. I will send money to you. Okay? God bless you. Bye. Good morning, Kayan, my brother. How are you and the family? Happy Sunday. Kayan, don't worry. Everything will be fine very soon. Okay?
Great, guys. Ghanaians, welcome back. This is the Frontline Show, Ghana Speaks. This is the nation's biggest investigative magazine show. I am Kweku Annan, the host of this show. Now, tonight, we've been talking to a Turkish businessman who had some, on one hand, did some business with this Chukudi guy, and the man has been short-changed, defrauded, complete. Nothing shows that he's going to get the money. Clear, this Nigerian Chukudi guy sits here on our soil, proud himself that he's this, he's that, and lying to people his connections within the seat of government. Folks, I've been joined by another man, Frank Ejay. Now, also, a business partner to this Turkish, only Turkish for a business, including this Mamet Kayani, on business. Frank also, Frank, Frank, God. So also only one Turkish for including Kayani, right?
Kayani Bahar, any Oman. Oman, they cry Ghana, Ghana by 3 days.
I see.
And Bahar so almost 50 years.
I see.
Wow. When I say crab Bokina, I'll be a normal here. And back on oil business. Talk dirty oil. Now refinery refinery diesel.
I see.
And also, I'm saying copper to Bokina.
I see.
And back also you build machines, the roofing company, and how I build small houses.
That's right. Oh, affordable
houses.
I see.
The Numuna, Kayan, or Kayan Catcher say, on Fatals, and no my debate, ever told dining, everybody. Yeah, I can say Ghana for the on Mundi, I'm a crown on me, one for the Ghana.
When they call you?
Kayan. I see. So, Omundi Ghana food, or Miko Money, Mamushi, no matter for the Ghana. Okay. I'm so dear for no matter for the Ghana. Don't know the evidence, new in actually, Nimian the Cherry. My business class is no more, and I think I started that bet. Martin Prince, I know money because of almost say Ghana for Sunday, because Omodi to my name say, Mema am command so. And I'm so information now, not because of meaning into details in your position in the Kasai. But always be on the Kasa, not coming down to say, so Kasan say obituary. But on your say obituary, Kasan be sent for phone only because the oil and the
Nigerian, I see.
Only because the oil say, Mr. My near class may die in the car, almost be died, no more, because I'm better say the no more about. I can't be here last year, call say, acquire $2,000.
Yeah, but in a can $2,000 more. Oh, $2,000 because I'm catching some to not just over the once and this year. Until your friend plan video call, no, in the Casa. You know what, particularly now, the court and I say, any video, you know, so why not Nigeria, you know, I do. Well, say, Mama, one information be said, scan Tiamo, way, I'm because scan no for somebody for court. And I'm assuming him say, Nippon Morgana and Tim Pesa, I'm for betting to scan them. Kakaka, both your cast be Nippo. Why we so Kakaka into one who's no man answer, also why you say, Wintia. Almost be say, yeah, what's it? But quick one, what could you the rest of and as a remaining containers now shape by and say, containers, according to Michelle, we in the Abba and divers experiment to understand. And your money now, and according to another Casano, I try to say, no man, task now or question. We needed the more expensive buy Ghana for so intimate expensive. Into no, let's have your offer containers and I autonomy into my Sicano. Now, we need no money buy. I bring no money buy on a rented warehouse. And I'm no because I say I cannot or one more of China. 1 hour no man. Sure. No, your shipment, what you did, no upper warehouse. No be any normal blow duty be arm now or current house. My warehouse current if I know bay. I say one current warehouse. No business blow, never current warehouse. Casabi, you be anxious and obituary. As of now, ocean your my economy. Oh, I'm not so obituary. Munya report to my police and any of the security. And then automatically attempt to believe, but now I catch say because of Messiah Minita be brave. It is a Omotiki we I mean, Omakasan in Timian or every time. Yeah, that's because of Mlintino, Mama and mine in Casano. Yeah, don't the NHS say, we need to be hard in my mind. And the water was no. This year, you know. Okay, I don't know which be because of no man now they mine a huge amount. And I'll see every month, every year, be interested about easy. This is also just any interest in only password in say not Tiana at some point. Guys, this is very disturbing and very, very troubling. Iran, yeah, the part 1 will be see her. More to come.
On one Casacra already said, Obeba down. Obeba. That's when we'll be over the
Okay, good one. Bahatin, at Baba. Great. What will be your last words? Then we close.
Have this money, take it.
Yeah.
Yes, that's all.
Good.
Have this money, take it.
Good one.
You see, take it and send it to my brother. Okay? My brother, I'm happy. Yeah. You see, my brother now very.
He's not a happy man.
No happy.
He's lost a lot. He's lost his money. He's lost his cars. He's lost his
everything. Lost.
Yeah.
You see now you four house, 3 car. You all sell it. Now go rent your city.
Oh,
that's not good.
Right. Frank, yes, another to the last.
Yeah, make can say. Yeah, cause no, because you see our issue.
What is a Ghana for you?
Because because I think we need man. Come show us KBA. No ma krampo a company krampo ya establish say yeah nkesin no ma kra nya say dia ban ka bi do dada. But because of that issue enti. Omo dwen say sa na eso tie me so me Nigeria ni me Ghana.
Enti just omo di
say sa no mo na sa na eso tie enti ma de no mo nyina omo twetwe omo ya dia. Na obi we Ghana we ana work ho na omo you afim.
Oh no.
Tie na hardin because obi mko ni born na on family line there. Hardin be.
Good. Guys, it's really getting interesting, is it not? But SMDC said this is the part one of this investigations, the frontline investigate. Definitely, we are following a keen interest following. But like I said earlier, we are expecting Ezi Chukwudi to make himself available here on the frontline show on CTV for some questions and clarity into this. We will not close our door. We want you here, Mr. Chukwudi. I know you are watching. Come to CTV, the frontline show, because we need to get to the bottom of this. And we would also ensure some state authorities will get involved in this case. But I would rather advise you have to pay this money with interest, because it does appear from what Frank is saying. Now, the Turkish people beginning to even suspect that that's the nature of all of us as far as Ghanaians we are concerned. But this is a matter purely describing a business stuff between you and a Turkish businessman, and you are trying to shortchange him. Folks, asamna yugupa. What was that? See the Frankie Kayam. What business or koye and show? Omako keka afidie ono Frank ne kro no ye business kra no nyini plus other Ghanaians nti we gradual sa na be kwa kodru baby so Nigerians e wo ho so mo koye Igbo fo a ene na asem na say na afidie dina na yes say di. Earlier I told you that there are some Igbos also in where UAE, and they are using ostensibly using Ghana passport e wo UAE ho boni kwa no mudidi wo ho no. Guys, we'll end this episode here tonight. Believe me, sir, on Wednesday, we'll come your way with yet another episode of the Frontline Show, and then we'll see how things go. But of course, this very particular issue, the Frontline Show is going to follow to its logical conclusions. My name still remains Kweku Annan, the investigative journalist and the host of the Frontline Show. Great guy, Sebomi Chidom. Ruby X is up there. And then Keynes Campbell, online editor, executive producer Yao Yamba, and then the man himself, credible, also up there. My guest I'm no mudin komo Bahatin Akbaba. Of course, he's the brother of Mamet Kayan, the business guy, all right, who did business with this Nigerian self-styled proclaimed king. And also next to him, Frank AJ, and also a partner to the Turkish guys on Omuye business. I know Akobad. Folks, definitely I may come your way same time next Wednesday with this another edition Frontline and the issues about the Igbo, which of course seem not to go away anytime soon.
Guys, hey God, I don't know, but why? Why would you do this to a man? Why do you choose to tarnish the name of someone like this? Why? Why did you do this to this Turkish man, sir? Sir, why? Has your wickedness gotten to that? I remember when Amagana was saying you are a fraud king, you are a liar, you are a this, you are a that. You came out, defending yourself, saying you are not this, you are not that. To the extent you go far by saying that Ghanaian youth lack home training. And look at what you did to this man. Look at what you did to him. You don't even care about his reputation. You don't care what he's going through. Even after he said that the government came for his stuff, you've ruined his son's life. But yet you kept giving him excuses up and down. If you don't want to pay the money, you would have said, oh, I will not pay the money. Oh, hey, see, there's nothing worse than you toying somebody. You tell him today you pay, tomorrow you pay, and you will not. Can you imagine? 9 good years, from 7, 8, who knows how many years it is now? You are a wicked man. You are a very wicked man. You are a very wicked man. So does that mean all those things where you get, all those shoulder where you raise high, not fake? You don't even get shishi. You don't get anything. You don't have anything. If you have, then what is stopping you from paying him back? What is stopping you from paying this Turkish man back? If you truly have the money that you are boosting, you are beating your chest that you have. What kind of wickedness is this? Oh, what a wicked man. What a wicked man. Now I see the reason why your wife cannot even open her mouth to say something, like to defend you, because she is aware of what is happening. If she's not aware, she would have come out and, I'm talking about myself, if I'm in her shoes, I will come out and defend my husband. But look at her, quiet. She is quiet. That's because she knows what is happening. She knows that you are guilty of everything people are accusing you of. Why am I even calling it an accusation? This is your act. This is what you've been doing. Now Ghanaians, yeah, those of you that have been defending him, saying he has big company, he has this, he has that, you guys have seen for yourself. Those companies now, fraud in carry build those companies, and nothing is full of lies. He's full of lies. Look at this Turkish man. He supplies stuff, tiles for him. How many containers did they even say? I forgot. And he refused to pay him. Eh? What kind of wickedness is this? What kind of wicked heart is this? Someone that is like you. But all you can do is to carry convoy and build big palace with big chairs. Just packaging yourself. All those package not to scam people. Now it is confirmed that you are a scammer. We are waiting for you to come out and defend yourself. That's just what I have to say. But then, guys, everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Do want to like, subscribe to the channel. Share this video with as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.